Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, when it rains, it pours. Entertainment news, YouTube, people doing what we love the most, and that is a beefing. By now, we all know Uguti Owami can dish it, but she can't take it, right? She does not want anything to be said about her, but she can say everything and anything about anyone because why? That's her opinion. But I made a video about her yesterday saying I feel like people are wrong for blaming her Uguti baskemdi by Mamalo, Ukoko Manzini and stuff, right? So now I wake up, Buzamin. Owami decided to comment on Dandom Mdleche's YouTube channel, and her response was shady. Her response was shady. Atinje, this one, she keeps on poking me and talking about me and doing whatever. And me, I'm just chilled. All I'm waiting for is for her to get to 100,000 subscribers. Okay, let's break this down. First and foremost, Owami in her videos, she explicitly said she does not do small YouTubers. She does not play with small YouTubers. She does not laugh with small YouTubers. She does not even look their direction. Right? And that time she was relating Vele to Yanantando Mdleche, relating to the Vault Entertainment, relating to Unfiltered Kiri. Now I'm surprised to how you know that this one has been in your case, but you don't follow a small YouTuber. Njani, make it make sense. Make it make sense. But Owami is hurtful. She is bored. Uguti untando uyenze I video and she went and made a comment, right? Waboni Suguti, I am the one that owns this street, and therefore I am going to comment anyhow, any way I feel. Buzage. To comment kanjalo amkhumbuza ukuthi you are nothing because you don't have 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers. My apologies. 1,000 is a requirement from YouTube, which is lame according to the comment that Owami made via Untando Mdleche, right? Buzake, Untando came for her. Untando Mdleche came for Owami like never before. She mopped the floor with Owami at this point. Now, Untando raised 3 points. First, she made the mockery of the 100,000 subscribers. Why? Her joke was, I do not get paid for having 100,000 subscribers. I get paid for having 1,000 subscribers and views. That's what's making me get paid. So even if I had 100,000 subscribers, but my views were not viewing, it was basically useless and pointless. So Untando Mdleche direct Owami when it comes to that. You cannot be humbling and being happy for 1,000 subscribers that does nothing for you. I'm like, Kanjani, what do you mean it does nothing for her? Untando said, you have 100,000 subscribers, but you are coming to these YouTube streets begging for donations. No one is going to forget that Owami actually begged for donations because Owami always says, Uguti, do not. But Ugirl is the one that did it this time around, and YouTube is going to remember this for the days of its life. Because Untando was like, yes, you've got 1,000 subscribers, but my girl, come back here. Weren't you the one crying, asking for donations? What good does 1,000 subscribers do if you do not have an insurance, if you don't have savings, if we need to bail you out if you are in trouble? Kaizini, Ndando. That was number one. Number two, I guess number one was the 100K. Number two was her dragging the fact that you are on 100K, but Pega when a ting, you need to come here and ask for donations. People need to help you as high and mighty. Number 3, she was like, I did not know that my 9 to 5, which I am qualified for, which I am which I am addressing every day, which actually pays my bills, which is an achievement for me, Ntando Mdletshe, because it's an academic degree that I worked hard for, and I'm reaping its benefits right now. It's nothing compared to 100K. You know why that shade? Because Owami failed in nursing. Allegedly. Your Owami can sue you. Lynn has been sued for 10 years now. I won't want to be in that same boat. Now, Atige, oh girl, my neighbor, we know she means Owami. Child cannot be accepted into nursing. I don't know if she failed to take the BP correctly or what happened. Owami thinks she's the only one that can dish it. Guys, please check up on Owami, because after what Utando Mdletshe did, being sarcastic, laughing, giggling about it, Owami will never recover. Somebody please make sure, Ati Mamela girl, you cannot come to me. Upis ufaila wena, uma failings, ufaila emie nursing. Ay man kancane. Athi umntana kamakhelwane angazi ukuthi bekahluleka ukufaka i-drip na. Yo guys, ninjas, please don't kill me. Owami is the one that started. Remember, your ninja is a celebrity now, and people are going to make videos about her, and she should take the advice that she was giving to Lerato Kanyako and Somizi to say they must keep quiet, they must never respond. Now Ugel is responding everywhere and anywhere, and all Untando was reporting on the news and speculations that people were making regarding Owami and Ugogo Manzini. But please go to that video. Mdletshe mopped the floor with Owami giggling throughout, reminding Owami ukuthi, yes, you've got 100K subscribers, but they are not doing anything for you right now because you are a beggar on the YouTube streets. Reminding Owami ukuthi, yes, you've got 100K subscribers, but you could not get yourself a mere nursing class nje. Not even in what caregiver ge. You could not even pass on that one. So who are you to tell me, an academic with a proper degree, that nonsense? Ngisathi ngithi ngimile lapho uza kule ukuthi kanti uyangibona nokungibona. Can't you even see me? You recognize me. You see me, you see me. Guys, no, this was a shady move for Owami. She could have just kept quiet, kept going. I know it's difficult not to watch videos about you. Watch, but don't comment, because she always makes fun of Promise Makunyani, saying Promise Makunyani views her status, her TikTok videos, and that's how stupid Promise is. Who's now? I don't know, guys. Please go watch the video. I don't want to spoil it for you. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Adisebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.